Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, you guys like that soundtrack? Hey, shout out to Trader Bob. He gave the idea yesterday, and I was yesterday after the stream. I put it on with the intro, and I was like, dude, this is literally like some like Modern Warfare Rust vibes. I was like, this sounds sick. We're going on a freaking mission, boys. We could like maybe like hopefully. The only thing I'm worried about is getting copyrighted. That's the only thing I'm worried about. But I can like maybe like put like Black Ops 2 and like zombies intro. This is the Modern Warfare 2 multiplayer. Yeah, Modern Warfare 2, dude. That sounded sick. It's so nostalgic. The only thing I'm worried about is getting copyrighted. That's the only thing I'm worried about. But if I don't, I'll keep it going. I know it sounded so sick. I was like watching it yesterday. I was like, damn. I was like, that goes hard. It looks like the Rust intro. Yeah. Hey, we got the red tiger and blue tiger scar. Yeah. Bro, yeah, it feels like we're going on a mission or something. Oh man, that was funny. Yeah, we got the Doritos Mountain Dew, and then we just got home from school. We didn't finish our homework. Our room's dirty, but the squad's online, so we're going in, chat. Oh man. Oh yeah, we had like the gold AKs and stuff, and the Barrett 50 cal. Bro, that brings like hella memories. Yeah, hopefully I don't get copyrighted, and then I can keep doing that. I can like switch it up and do like some like Black Ops and other Call of Duty Modern Warfares. Yeah, yeah. These kids nowadays can't handle the lobbies back then. If you survived the Modern Warfare and Call of Duty lobbies back then, you can survive this generation now. Hey, send them 2-3 years in Dagestan and forget. I freaking love these streams. Oh, good times, good times. Well, I was like watching everyone like in the chat, like when the intro was playing, they're like, "Oh shit, we got the COD back." Oh my god. Nice, you trades. Let's get you that first payout, man. Hey, we're doing good vibes today, man. All week, all long. Yeah, Charong, these are funded now. We got 550Ks. Hey, you like the intro too? Like, maybe I should play like the right when you're like loaded into the lobby and you get into the game and goes team deathmatch. Yeah, we had the ghillie suits. The ghillie suits, the suppressed ACR, with the thermal. Oh my god, that was so funny. Dude, that was so nostalgic. Yeah, hopefully I don't get copyrighted. But then I was listening to the Black Ops 2 intro. It sounds sick. Let me see. Oh yeah, right here. You guys hear this? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's like yeah, and then it goes dun 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 dun. What the fuck? Oh, that shit's funny. Bro, it's like, those were the days. You didn't have to worry about nothing. You and the boy just hopped online. Oh my god. Life of Laos. Yeah, I started streaming at 9 a.m. PST. I use Streamlabs to stream. Yeah. It's like Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun, dun-dun. You're just like in the zone with the headset. You got Dorito fingers. Oh my god. Oh, that shit was so funny. Yeah, because the intro I was looking at too, like Streamer Ball was thinking, it sounds like a Modern Warfare intro lobby or something, like to Rust. Yeah, I'm on a West Coast internet. Alright. Big sell-off here this morning. We had news at 5:30. Here. We have news at 5:30. And market open and dumped hard. Then it looks like it's making a big reversal. But what is this? Wick. Look at that. But we're at the highs, near the highs of the day. You could see it maybe a flush back down. Or it could like bounce and continue up for the highs. Yeah, I live in Cali, internet. I just like NQ better. I just always liked it. $3.30. Fuck. Oh my god. Alright, thank you, M5. Alright, Trump speaks at 2. Let me see. Alright, Trump speaks at 11 a.m. PST. We got the 30-year bond auction, which shouldn't move too much. It's like a yellow folder. At 10:01 a.m. PST, so in like 50 minutes. But we had news this morning, core CPI. If you guys want to check news, go on Forex Factory, it's free. You can look at big news events coming up. Thank you, Isaac. Yeah, we got the road to 100K completed. We're going to do the road to $250,000 is back. And hopefully if we complete that, we can go to road to $500,000. Then after that, road to $1 million. Alright, it's going to bounce right here or it's going to break. It's going to do either one. I want to see what I want it to do. We got a new 5 minute and 3 seconds. Oh my god, I love that music. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. Looks like it might come back down. Maybe. Just gotta stay out right here for a little bit. Yeah, Warzone. Team Deathmatch. Or like Ground Wars, like capture all the objectives. Yellow trades? Sometimes, not really. Mainly the red folders you gotta worry about. The yellow folders sometimes will be like a little volatile. But nothing crazy usually. Most of the time. Yes sir, that's the plan. Just ain't right. I'm gonna take some off stream for the other accounts if I do have time. I'm just trying to find a time to work on that. So maybe before or after stream, but I wanna have like a dedicated stream accounts, which these are. So I'm absolutely only trading these on stream. So whatever happens, happens. And yeah, so these are my dedicated stream only accounts. I can only trade them on stream. And we got them funded last week. And they're finally funded. That's pretty awesome. Maybe you see a push back down to here. It looks like it's starting to reject off this top area. Yeah, M5. Last time it literally did absolutely nothing when Trump spoke last time. I think that was last week. Yeah, last week. What's up, Grizz Trades? Oh, yeah, hardcore search and destroy. Yeah. Internet, it's just the same tats. I got some on my arm and then my leg, my chest. I notice I get tattoos like usually every like 2 to 3 years. Right now I am in no desire for it anymore right at the moment. It goes in waves. Like sometimes I'm like fiending for one and then sometimes I'm like Like right now, I have no desire for it anymore. The shit is expensive too. I ain't gonna lie. Tattoos are freaking expensive. Search and destroy. We got the bomb. Bomb has been planted.
Order filled.
Right, maybe a little risky, but we're going to try and look for a breakout back down to the downside. We're only going to risk 10 points. It could come back up and then hit the highs, and then we get stopped out. That's why I want to have like a tighter stop. But if it does fail, which I'm hoping it does, it can fall back, and then we can get a nice downward trend right here back into this area. But we got a new 5-minute in 2 minutes. Life of Leos, I got 5 brand new accounts. I haven't traded them yet. I don't know when I'm going to trade them yet. But I got 550k at the flex. Grizz, they're at like right here, 450 or something. We made 440 yesterday, first day on these funded. We got five of them funded now. Alright, nice. Getting a little momentum. These are trailing drawdown accounts, y'all, so we just gotta be, remember, we gotta be cautious. Right now we're at our peak. This is peak. This is trailing drawdown, so see what we're seeing. This is why I'm keeping an eye on this number. It's how much we have to work with. Oh, that's sick. Being a tattoo artist. I honestly low-key wanted to be one. Then I was like, because I used to draw a lot. And it was a pretty cool, it was very fun, honestly. Tattooing is pretty cool. I just like it because it's literally artwork. It's literally, I literally consider it art. That's what I like about tattoos. Like nowadays, everyone just consider it art, and it's just its own beautiful piece. And back then, it was like, oh, you have to be, you're in a gang, going to prison or something. But now it's just a lot more chill. A+ only. Yeah, that's right. Right, we're chilling at 5 points, liking this push. We are up. We got a new 5-minute in 15 seconds. I want to see where it wants to close, but I'm liking this break right here. And then the reason I'm taking this trade is breaking this level, and then also we're only risking 10 points for a nice. Look at this huge downside potential. That's a very nice RR. All right, new 5-minute. See where it wants to go. Yeah, we're at our peak for our trailing. Alright, nice push. We're gonna move our stop down to break even. Very nice, 15 points. Hey, Siri, play the MW2 music. Da-da-dun, da-da-dun. We're in a trade. Oh, 20 points. Yeah. Yo! Fucking love this shit, y'all. I'm glad I started streaming. We're gonna move our stop, 10 points of profit. Nice push. 25 points. $30 points. Hey, should we just play this shit when we're in a trade? So everyone knows we're in a trade. If I get copyrighted this stream, fuck it. I'm hoping I don't, so I can keep doing this. Oh my god. This shit is fun. Alright, 30 points. Nice push down here. I'm liking this break right here. Should be my fucking ringtone. 35 points. Liking this break. Nice push. Move our stop. 20 points in profit. Look at this RR, guys. Look at that trade. We're only risking 10 points and we're up 40. That's a nice 1-4 right here. Knock on wood. We just keep it rolling. We're up 45 points. Yeah, 50 points. Biggest trade on stream for y'all at the moment on stream. Hey, let me know if the music is too loud. I don't know if it's too loud for y'all or something with my voice. Let me know how it is, like the thing. Nice. We're gonna move our stop 30 points. Actually, frick it. We're gonna do 40 points because these are trailing drawdown. We're up 50 points. Yeah, we're just vibing right now. Shit. Alright, let's see this break right here. We gotta stop at 40 points, so we're chilling. But if it wants to keep ripping, this is another big downside move right here. That's a nice, another 50 points right there. Let's see this break. This is a big bounce area right here. That's why we're being cautious. That's why it's kind of bouncing. That's why we got our stop at 40 points. And yeah, we're up 55. So worst case, we're stopped out at 40. I'm chilling. That's what I'm saying. If it breaks this is another big move right here. This is a huge gap. It just got to break. This is a big bounce area. That's why we got our stop at 40. I fucking love this music. Alright, new 5 minute and 45 seconds. We're up 50 points. Why I'm worried about a bounce right here, but like I said, worst case we're up 40 points. It's still a banger trade. Alright, new 5 minute, 15 seconds.
Stop filled.
Hey, stopped out, all good, but boom, look at that. Took a nice short entry right there, boom, back to the downside. At our peak, we're up 55 points. That was a very nice first trade. A new 5 minute, look, it looks like it's starting to come down. But yeah, this is a big bounce here, which I was worried about. But like I said, we got our stop at 40 points. That was a very nice first trade. And yeah, see the trailing guys? See, I have $300 less to work with because of that. Because at my peak, I was at 55 points. Yeah, this is a big bounce area, so that's why, yeah, we had our stop at 40. But I mean, that was still a nice trade. I'm happy with it. That was a very nice first trade on these pro accounts. Boom, let's go. Yeah, at our peak, we're up 55 points. Guys, that was a nice 1 to 4 RRR trade. Look, I risked 10 points, only 10 points. Boom, 40 right there. That's a nice 1 to 4. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, thank you everyone for joining in. Yeah, we got this Modern Warfare music going on. We got that nostalgic vibes back. Yeah, every time we're in a trade, we just play it. So everyone knows. Yeah, it matches the vibes. Like, yeah. Especially when it's just ripping down hard. Oh, man. That was nice. Yes, sir. Let's go. Thank you, God. All right. It's hesitating a lot right here. Like, it could, like I said, it could either break or bounce. But if it does break, that's a nice bigger move down to the downside. But yeah, this is a big bounce area right here. See? Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Yeah, this is the 5 minute. We're only trading the 5 minute. Hot films. These are 1 mini each, not 5 minis per account. It's only 1 mini each. We're copy trading them. All right, yeah. See, this is what I was worried about. There's a bounce, but yeah, I think we played it great. Honestly, it could have made a bigger move to the downside. And look, it's bouncing right here. Hey, Hot Films, yeah, we're just documenting the journey, trying to get better one day at a time. You guys learned something as well. That's even better. That's awesome. But yeah. Yeah, Hot Films, just stick to what you're doing. I only traded one mini on these accounts, which is only like 5 more in MQ. It's like 10 MNQ. Yeah, coming back right up into here. Could retest this top area, which we did short. So we'll see how it reacts up here. But we're going to stay out of a trade right here because it's in the middle of a zone. Yes, sir, Internet. You saw that? Yeah, we took a nice short. Played the COD music. Gained some momentum. Trailed it. It was a banger. Yeah, honestly, yeah, 100%. I think the streaming makes me better, like straight up. Like straight up. Because if I was by myself, I wouldn't be like. I'd probably be watching YouTube videos if I'm being honest. But here I'm like focused. I'm following my rules. I don't want to mess up on cam. Practicing good trading habits. We're vibing with the music. I mean, yeah, it's good. Rich, 50K or 150K? I always go with those. 50 or 150K. Alright, new 5 minute in 50 seconds. Yeah, 100% Internet, because like, yeah, you don't wanna mess up. You wanna follow your rules. You want to be disciplined. You want everything to be good. You know, so it's like it's a good. Honestly, that's why I was scared. I don't know. I was like scared of like messing up on camera, but I was like, you lose all the time. It is what it is. So it's like, who cares? That's part of trading. Price come back down here in this range, but it might just make a pullback and then just like rip up, or it's gonna come back down and crash hard. We shall see. Yeah, Tevin, that is very true. There's a lot of way better traders out there that they're just a silent killers, silent snipers. They don't tell anyone. They don't talk about it, which like I respect. I honestly like that. That's how I started. But then I was like, I might as well just document the journey. I wanted to do YouTube and everything, and it helps out people, and it's pretty awesome talking to you guys. So like 100%. Yeah, there's guys that you wouldn't even think they trade. They would just be like just a normal dude. You don't even think about it. Shit, he's making like 10K plus days. Anessa, I don't know. It's pretty volatile. I just strict NQ. So yeah, I only trade Nasdaq. I like it. It's always worked for me. And if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Coming back down hard right here. I mean, Hot Films, yeah, you can't play the what if game. It's like realistically, I wouldn't have done that, Maybe, yeah, I'd do 2 minis if I had like a bigger buffer and end of day drawdown. But like these are trailing and they only have this much, so 2 minis will go by very fast on this. Yeah, guys, you just finding what instrument works for you. Like, if you're consistently doing bad on, like, something you trade, right? For example, let's say I trade really bad on YM or something. Why you trade YM? But you see that you do a lot better on NQ. Why not just trade NQ? Making a higher low right here. You see this? Damien, yeah, guys, we will pick the giveaways on stream near the end. I already ended it. I already have it all set up. I'm gonna pick them on stream. I got them on the wheel of names. We got 3 winners for the core 50K MyFundedFutures accounts. Don't worry, guys. If you haven't entered, I will do more giveaways in the future, but you cannot re-enter. It's already closed and done. Yeah, True Trades. I love the 5-minute. It works great. Yeah, just ain't right. Like, I think, like, to start, especially on a trailing, like 5 micros to like a mini is like pretty solid on a 50K. Nice, Tevin. Yeah, a lot of people have been trading YM. A lot of people are trading like silver, gold, and ES. But yeah, whatever works for you. Checked out the market. Yeah, but I think we got news again tomorrow. Yeah, we got news at 5:30 tomorrow. 5:30 a.m. PST. Keep that in mind, PST. Noah, yeah, we took a nice Call of Duty entry right here. 40 points. Nice 40-point short. Giveaway is gonna be we're gonna do it out live on stream near the end. So if you guys want to see the giveaway winners, we'll do it live at the very end. Boom, boom, boom. All right, this is why we're staying out. We got a new 5-minute. I want to see where it wants to close. 9:30 a.m. candle, making higher lows, but this is a big bounce area right here. All right, let's see the new 5-minute in 4 seconds. Very interesting. Guys, we finally broke out of the 26,000s this morning. And I think yesterday, guys, what we were talking about. We were talking about how big that level of that 26,000 area. So we got to keep that in mind. But it did break it, which is nice. But yeah, this 26,000 is a big rejection area also. So that was a banger short entry, actually. Because that's a big rejection area. Oh god, hopefully no bots. Oh, holy crap! What the heck? You guys see that? Wow. That was a hard crash. Guys, it did that like right here too, so we gotta be cautious today. I don't know what's up with these huge drops. Just being a short all day. Hey, Hot Films, glad I inspired you to do that. Yeah, that was a crazy drop. Wow. Yeah, it's probably Trump or something tweeting. The U.S. could take action on Greenland in weeks or months. Yep, that's probably Mr. Trump. Yeah, like imagine we were in a long right here. We would have got wrecked. So that's why, good thing we played discipline and patience. We stayed out of this area. We got a nice full eggs right there. Yeah, you see that huge sell-off and it's like, boom, just bought up. Same right here, and then it like pushed up back to the highs of the day. So it's kind of risky, honestly, to do either one, honestly. Do a buy or a long right here. Look, it made it look push right back up to where it's at. Look, would have stopped out. So many people got stopped out probably right here. Stop loss century right there. If you guys like these live streams, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. PST, make sure to like and subscribe. Keep them going for y'all consistently, for free, on YouTube, Monday through Friday. Like and subscribe, y'all. No, Hot Films. I only trade at NASDAQ. NQ. Let's get a poll going. See where price wants to go. Alright, where are we going, everyone? We're going up or we're going down? Right here, we're kind of in a weird area right here. Just near that 26,000 area. This 2670 and like 26,000 is like a big rejection area that we were talking about yesterday and last week. And it didn't close above 26,000 last week, but we finally broke it yesterday, like after a stream, like I was talking about. And it did a little today. But this is a big area, so that's why we're just being a little more cautious. And .rip was aggressive, and so is this one. Yeah, it's just kind of a new 5-minute 935. It's just tricky right here. Could literally go either way, honestly. What's up, Mad Cow? What's up, brother? PJ, I think Trump tweeted. Yeah, like so sketch taking a trade right here, in my opinion. We're trading the Take Profit Pro accounts right now. Yeah. Alright guys, if you guys are just tuning in right now, we're getting more viewers. Took a nice short right here. Only risking 10 points. We got a nice 1 to 4 RR on that trade. Traded it down at our peak, we're up 55 points. Bounce it right here. And we had our stop loss at 40 points in profit. So we locked out at 40. So very nice first play on these. But we're just staying out right here because we're being cool, calm, collected, and patient. We do not need to gamble. We don't know where it's going to go. This is a very tricky area. If you're unsure where price is going to go, you know what you can do? You can just stay out the trade. You don't have to trade. Stay in cash as a position. Yes, sir, Madcat. We just chilling right now. We got the... Hey, you missed the Modern Warfare intro on the stream. And then also in the trade, we had the Modern Warfare music going. Hey, if we go on a trade, we should start... That's like our thing. What's up, Jasmine? Thanks for tuning in, y'all. We're picking the giveaways at the end of stream. End of stream, we'll pick the giveaways here live on stream. I got it all set up. Yes, sir, J Rich. Being disciplined, being patient. And yeah. We don't need to machine gun this. We just need to be that sniper precise entry. Alright, looks like it's coming back down here. This is a big bounce area right here at that 945 area right here. This is a bounce area. It could either bounce or it could break, and if it does break, it could make a nice big move down here to the downside. Yes, sir. We're doing a giveaway. We're announcing the winners. We'll do it live on stream. Wheel of names. Near the end. Good morning, Bassie. Yeah, guys, like, literally the old me would be taking a trade right now. Literally the old me, literally, like, a few months ago, I'd be taking trades right now. But doesn't it feel a lot less stressful when you're not constantly in a trade, freaking out, stopping you out, going up, going down. You're already 10 trades into the stream in 38 minutes. You're like, why? It's like so stressful. And it's like you're doing it on yourself. It's you that's doing it. Not the market, it's you. You don't see a setup, why are you going to trade? So we're staying out of this area. We want to see a clearer direction of where it wants to go. And I did not like this wick. And I don't like this one. Stop loss sentry right there. Stop loss central. We got 71% saying going up, 29% going down. Yeah, it could literally go either way, y'all. That's why, same thing as yesterday. We were calm, cool, collected, didn't force anything. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Matt Cow, when you start trading those 20 accounts, they go by pretty quick. What's up, Rose? Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, guys, when you trade 20 accounts with Apex on the challenges, it goes by really quick. Alright, let's see if new 5-minute right here, 940 candle. Could either come back right up to here, or it could break. But this sell-off right here got bought up really quick. Stopped out a bunch of people. Then ran right back up like nothing happened. Yeah, we took one trade. Right here. We took a nice 40-point short. So we took a short right here. Only risking 10 points on that trade. Nice move to the downside. Back into here. Broke this level right here. 26,000. That's a big area. And at our peak, we're at 55 points. But we trailed it to 40 points because these are trailing drawdown accounts. And we locked it in. And it was a banger trade. Alright, right here. So are they going to bounce or break? Oh yeah, just saying, I remember they had the 7 days to pass. I would not do that. I'll wait till they had the 1 day pass. Then just freaking send it. Look, bouncing right here again. Big bounce area. I just don't like this wick, honestly. But it was a tweet, so... Nah, pass. Guys, we're at 7,256 subscribers. Thank y'all for subscribing. Wow. We're up like 300 subscribers this year so far. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good, y'all. We're being really consistent now. But yeah, we're just staying patient, y'all. No need to force anything. We already have a nice play in. Alright. Bouncing here again, damn. I want to take a bounce, but then I don't know, I'm kind of scared, honestly, to take this trade, so I feel like it's going to break. User, I trade on the 5-minute and mark out my levels on the 5-minute, but then I also look at the 4-hour and 1-hour for like bigger levels that I would be more like cautious about when I'm trading the 5-minute. So like I'm like that 26,000 area is a big level, and then I'm just like more cautious around those levels, and I'll see how price reacts to it. But I only check those levels for bigger levels. All right, let's see this break. Nice, getting a nice break right here. That was a nice entry. That was a nice breakout short entry, damn. Good thing we didn't long right here. Decarbon, I started this channel in April 2024. Yeah, Tevin, if I do see another trade, I'll take it, but yeah, that was a nice banger trade. We might lock it in too either. We will see. That was a nice breakout short entry right there to the downside, but yeah, we'll see. If we see another setup, we'll take it, maybe. Manage our risk well. But if we don't, yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah, we're consistently getting more viewers in the stream. Yesterday we had our peak of like 130, 131 viewers live. That was the most we had in the stream, so that was very nice. And we're consistently getting around like 90. All right, we're getting a new 5-minute. We're consistently getting like 90, 80, 90 now. All right, let's see if it wants to retest this area. Charlie, yeah, I heard people, they say it was like a 10 to 20 second delay. I don't know, I literally just hit stream on the live and it just goes live. So I know there's a delay, but I don't know how long it is. I know YouTube has a little delay. $20. That's kind of long, actually. You guys know how to fix the delay? Because I literally just hit stream on Streamlabs and it goes live. Okay, right on the internet. Yep. All right, coming right back up to here, retesting this this 40 here, 940. Moti, I'm probably just gonna stick to YouTube right now, just because like a lot of my subscribers are on here. A minute is actually really long, Charlie. How to fix YouTube. Delay. Alright, I can maybe try to fix it. I got update the latency, see if I can get it for you guys. We're trading Jag, we're trading at 5. Funded TakeProfitTrader. Yeah, I'll see what's going on with the delay. I literally just hit stream on Streamlabs and it literally just goes live. So it says I gotta update the latency and see how that goes. So hopefully we can get that fixed or something. Hey guys, internet, if you want to update the stream, internet right here, he just put it in the chat. Thank you, internet. Yeah, I heard on other streams they had like a 10-second delay, some a 20. But they say that's for YouTube a lot. Mad Cal, yeah, I got. Alright, it's retesting this area. Let's see if it wants to do. Let's see if it wants to retest it and fall back short, or fall back right back into this upper area. It's starting to break. Mad Cal, yeah, I got TikTok. Same thing, casinatortrades. I cannot grow on there. I don't know why. My videos get no views. But I'm getting more views on Instagram, y'all. I'm getting more views on those reels. Alright, new 5 minute. See where wants to go. Oh my goodness. So much fight right here. Guys, we gotta go on TikTok and dance and shake our boobs and everything. That's how we're gonna get a lot more followers. I retested this and it came back down. It did break it. I was looking for a short, but I didn't like how it broke up. Coming right back down here. Yeah, internet, I got okay, retesting this area. I got 2 monitors. I just got the main monitor, which is like wide. Then I got a vertical monitor right here, where I look at like the chat and like Nvidia and other trading stuff. Yeah, I need to get a Lambo, and I need everyone to buy my course. Link in my bio on TikTok. Sell my course, my super top secret moon title strategy, that a 99.999% win rate strat. If we're not promoting that, we're not getting followers. Dang, I would have maybe took a short right here, but it broke up. That's why I didn't like it. Internet, do you like the curved monitor? I see a lot of people with that big curved monitor. It looks kind of cool, but I never had one of those. Yeah, it looks like we're falling back down into this area. That was a nice short entry. Fuck. Flo, we're gonna announce the giveaways on stream near the end. We'll do it live for y'all. Nice internet. Yeah, I got the landscape one right here, and then I like the vertical too. So it's like when I'm also like editing or working and stuff, it's like nice. I can just go like this. I don't have to keep going back between tabs and tabs. Yeah, falling right back into this range. I'm gonna get some water real quick. Nasty drop. Look at that. Wow. All right, new 5 minute 15 seconds. And then you're moving to Hawaii. Damn. Dude, it's tropical down there. I haven't been there in years. It's nice. Nice, Maradon. Yeah, that was a nice short right there. Boom. That was a very nice short. All right, new 5 minute. Let's see where it wants to go. It could break this, and then we can need. Look at this. This is a huge range right here to the downside.
Order filled.
All right, we're in a short. Maybe a little risky. Breakout short. We're gonna have a 15-point stop. We just need momentum like now, and just like break to the downside. There's a very big gap to the downside. Only risking 15 points. Nice. Yeah, this is a nice breakout right here to the downside if we can get momentum. Only risking 15 points. Okay. Guys, we gotta get these vibes going. Hey, we gotta get the vibes going right now. NQ loves Modern Warfare 2 music. When it's on, it goes in your favor. If we had that with the Moon Strat, with the Modern Warfare 2 music, oh man, dude, we're getting payouts, y'all. We are getting payouts. Flow, yeah, we caught a nice 40-point play to start the day. We're up 850 right here. Oh no, that was very quick right there. Don't like that. We got our stop at 15. Nothing crazy. But this is a nice RR to the downside. Look at that. That's a nice 50, 70, 80 points. Look, if we can reach there. 10 points. We got a new hour candle in 3 minutes. Gotta be a little careful. We have that, like, we got a 30-year bond auction in 4 minutes, but that shouldn't move too crazy. Yeah. NASDAQ loves the old nostalgic lobbies, game lobbies. 15 points of profit. We're gonna move our stop loss to break even. We're being careful because, remember, these are trailing drawdowns, so we gotta be cautious. Coming right back up here, don't like that. I love that intro. Doom, plays like the bell. Kind of hesitating right here. See this break. We need a flush. Flush, 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 flush. Flush. Nice, 20 points. Dude, it's like we're in full sweat mode. Whoa, 25 points. Stop loss, 10 points in profit. Nice break right here. Let's keep it ripping. 30 points. Move our stop more down. 20 points in profit. We're up 30 points on the trade. Remember, we're being a little more cautious because these are trailing drawdown accounts. That's why I'm like kind of like trailing my winner. Drop. Flush, 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 flush.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. That was still a nice 20-point play to the downside. Nice breakout short right there, y'all. At our peak, we're up a little over 30. Like 35. But like I said, these are trailing drawdown accounts, so I don't wanna have like a bigger stop, you know what I'm saying? So we gotta be more cautious. That's where we're trailing our winners better. If this was an end of the day drawdown account, then I could let it breathe more, a lot more. And we're almost there. We're only $400 away actually from getting them to stop trailing, so we're right there. Nice banger trade, y'all. If you guys like that and you guys like the free streams Monday through Friday, just like and subscribe. And if you want to use a prop firm using my affiliate code, I greatly appreciate it, and we can keep these live streams free. You know, this is part of my job. And yeah, so YouTube and trading is my job. New 10-minute candle, right? I mean, new 1 hour. We got the 10 o'clock candle right here. That's a good close for shorts. That's a good close for shorts. But like I said, if I wanted to let it hold longer because that's a nice bigger flush. But since these are trailing, we got to be smart, disciplined, and patient. So, nice 2 winning plays so far on the day. Shorts. Nice 40-point short to the downside in this top area right here at this 26,000 level. At our peak, we're up 55 points. Nice breakout short to the downside right here. At our peak, we're up 35 points, but we had a stop loss as set at 20. And yeah, so very nice. Yeah, this is Tradovate, Charlie. Look at that. Look at these. These are pretty aggressive candles. Yeah, internet. We chat is eating today. All right, we got the bond auction right now. Right now. Shouldn't be too crazy. It's a yellow folder. Yes, sir. Look at that. 2 bangers on the day so far. Nice downside shorts. Hey, thank you, Moti. Oh, yeah. Look at that breakout down to the downside. Like I said, we gotta be smart with these. Yeah, yeah. Charlie, you need to go to your chart settings and hit current position or something, and it should be around in here. The current position, it should be like PNL on chart. Yeah, Trump is speaking at 11 a.m. PST. Keep that in mind, y'all. Last time there was no volatility, but you never know with Trump. He literally tweeted right here and it freaking ripped down like aggressive sell-off. But look at these shorts playing out very well today. Very well. That was a nice breakout, and that's a nice gap right there. Yeah, Flo, if you guys want the winning strat, yeah, Modern Warfare 2 in the background while you're back testing trading. Gives NQ anxiety. And it loves it. NQ loves Modern Warfare 2 soundtracks. Also Black Ops, Call of Duty. Man. Yeah, Charlie, check out internet, what he just said right there. You can chart settings. Shorts are playing now. Damn. Look at these aggressive candles down. Like I said, that's why I took this breakout right here. Look at that. That's a big gap right there. Yeah, you gotta love Trump. But yeah, guys, these are trailing drawdown accounts. 5 funded 50K Pro TakeProfitTrader. We're $400 away from it stopping completely from the trailing. So that's pretty damn good in 2 days. Ponzello, we took 2 nice shorts on the downside, but since these are trailing, we had to trail our winners and we got stopped out in profit. So yeah, we're not just going to jump in right now. We got to wait for a good level, good entry, and be patient on that. We can't just jump in the shorts randomly. We needed to go to our levels. $25,865 internet. Yeah, everyone's been saying that's a big level. Daily pivot point. Alright, new 5 minute. Exactly, patience. Patience pays, y'all. Patience pays. Dalen, yeah, I got 5 flex accounts. I'm gonna trade them soon. Making a lower level down right here. Yeah, we've been in this tricky range right here, this 26,000 area as well. Sun, only in the challenge. The challenge it has 50% consistency, but in the funded there's no consistency, and you can get payouts on day 1 if you really wanted to. You just got to clear the buffer. So we need to get these to a $2,000 buffer, and whatever we take above that, whatever we make above that, we can take out and pay out, and that is the plan. Yeah, we got more people saying we're back down to the downside. We got 56% going down, 44% going up still. Charlie, TakeProfitTrader, MyFundedFutures, Tradeify. They're all solid. Alright, coming back right up here, back into this area. See how it wants to react. We're not bullish yet. Still trend is down. It could just be a little pullback. Price can't just go straight down. I'm not sure if Flex needs it for the funded. I'm not sure on that. I gotta check that. If someone can check that for Ugwidge. Sorry, I can't say your name. I know, and I think in the challenge there's a 50% consistency rule, but I'm not sure on the funded. $25,807. Hey, thank you, internet. Yeah, we're not bullish yet. I mean, it's just gonna be a pullback, and then look, rejected right up there. It could just, yeah, what it's doing right now, reject and then fall back shorter. Right on, prop trader. Ani, what up, man? Nice. We got 2 winning plays. Nice 40-point short to the downside, and then a nice 20-point play. We're pretty close. Hey, Beyond Limits, that's the beautiful thing. You still got a payout. You're still up. That's great. Coffee. Hey, man, it's an investment. It's an investment. Yeah, rejected right up there at that, this level right here. 895 area. Yes, sir. You're going to find out. Oh, man. That's crazy. All right, new 5-minute in 6 seconds. See where it wants to go. Oh, coming back down. Yeah, we're not bullish yet, y'all. Might hit a new low back into this area. Patience. Ooh. Oh, man. Guys, I love that Modern Warfare music, man. That lobby was sick this morning. $25,725. Audie, that is very true. I don't know why, like, when I'm really thinking or I'm in a trade, I'm like, I don't know why I do that. I just do it. It's like we're thinking. We're thinking. Hey, how did know Casey's entering a trade? He's putting his hand on his mouth. Oh, man. That's funny. But yeah, guys, we're going to announce the giveaway winners later on stream near the end. But we're just going to be patient right here. Patience. Like, do you see how fast that was? Like, I don't like it when it does that. I don't like when price just like, da-da-da. I don't like it. Yeah, yeah. They're just straight staring at the charts, hand over mouth, not talking, not looking at the chat, just completely focused. Hey, that's what you need. That's how you know he's about to enter. All right, let's see if it wants to reject right here again, or if it wants to break up.
Order filled.
All right, gonna take a short. We're only gonna risk 13 points. Rejected off here a few times. This is retesting this level right here. It could be a little risky because it is making a little staircase pattern up, which I'm not a fan of, but it is a level and it did reject off there. So we shall see. We're already up on the day. 2 nice winning plays, so we'll see how this one plays out. Yeah, it looks like it's coming back up. Wait. Guys. Now we're locked in. Oh no. Price come back up here, not liking that. Alright, new 5 minute and 10 seconds. Might get stopped out. Go down! Go down! Go down! Go down! Oh my god, fucking clinching right now. Fucking clinching right now. Go down!
Stop filled.
Falling right back into the range right here, unfortunately. Bro, I was clinching hard right there. You guys see how it was freaking... Oh my god, dude. It literally tapped it like twice. Holy. I didn't like the staircase pattern, so I probably should have stayed out. But I did reject here a few times, so that's why I was like looking for a short. Overall trend was still down. All good. Got a nice two winning plays and 1 small loss right there. Not bad, not bad. Internet, I usually stick to NQ, but if it's moving really fast, like very volatile, I'll switch over to MNQ. This is Modern Warfare 2 lobby music. The multiplayer soundtrack. Dude, I freaking... Guys, we were playing that earlier in the lobby. Oh man, it was great vibes. And then we took a nice 2 winning plays off that sound. Fuck. Yeah, kind of like staircasing back up here, which I'm worried about. Another big area is this 2915 area, I think. Yeah, we need a soundboard. Well, we got Trump speaking in 40 minutes, 43 minutes. Yeah, we gotta be patient, be patient. Well, we're already up 45 points on the day still. That's pretty good. Yeah, this is a tricky area. Slowing down a little right here. We're just gonna be patient. Yeah, honey, those were... Yeah, the first play, we were only risking 10 points. Made 40. At our peak, we're at 55. That was a banger first trade. No. We gotta be patient. YM. Oh yeah, look at that. Holy. Damn, those are big drops. Alright, new 5-minute. Damn, coming right back down here. Shit. Didn't come right here. It came very close, and then looks like it's rejecting right now again. Boom. Guys, look at that. Shorts would have played out, got stopped out just by a little bit, then ripped on down. Look at that. Hey, FOMO starts kicking in. Boom. But yeah, I think it might come back down here. It still looks bearish, honestly. We come back down here in this range. This is a nice area right here. It's a nice 60-point range right here. Nice, Jones. Yeah, that was a nice short still. Alright, let's see if it wants to bounce right here or continue back lower. Yeah, if we definitely break this, we could definitely see a nice push down to here. That's what I'm thinking. I'm still thinking shorts are still good. Order filled. Yep, right here. If it breaks this and continues, the 5-minute candle closes below that too, especially. Kieran, we're copy trading them, so it's 1 mini per account. Yeah, if it was 5 minis with trailing drawdown, that'd be kind of crazy. Arv will probably announce it in like 30 minutes. Yeah, 5 minis. That'd be crazy on these. Alright, new 5 minute in 1 minute. Yeah, guys, we'll announce the winners on the giveaway. We'll do it live on stream. On the wheel. Wheel of names, spin it up. Live. Live. Fighting. Hey, what's up? Welcome in. Thanks for joining in. Alright, let's see if it wants to bounce here or break down lower. That's the thing. That's the plan. Yeah, internet, you just gotta rip it. Rip and pray. Rip and pray. Alright, new 5 minute in 10 seconds. A lot of hesitation right here. This is a big area right here. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. If it breaks down this, we could see a nice gap down to the downside right here. We just gotta see. SPY's coming back down. Alright, let's see. Let's see if it wants to keep breaking this, a continuation down lower. And that'll be a nice nice gap right here. Sun, probably like 5 to 10 micros. I think 5 micros is pretty good on a 50K as well. Yeah, Motif, we trade full time in YouTube. So YouTube and trading. Dude, bouncing right here again. Damn. Wow, look at that. Yeah, this is a big area right here. Hey, what's up, Blue? Wow, look at that. Buyer stepping in right here. Motif, this is my job. Yeah, I trade full time. Alright. I took a short right here. I think it was still a great short. We just got stopped out and then ran in our favor. Yeah, right here, guys. This 865 is a big area right here. Bouncing hard again. The cat. Yeah, we got 108 people watching on the stream. Yeah, we had our peak yesterday, like 130. That was our biggest ever amount of viewers. Just ain't right. I could see more downside if we break this 865 area and close below it. Like, I want to see a nice 5-minute close below it. And then, yeah, maybe like a nice breakout to the downside. But right now, this is a very tricky area. So, tricky areas, we should just stay cash. We got a new minute in new 5-minute in 50 seconds. Miss, just like, I don't know, just find what works for you, trade it, see what works, what doesn't work, refine it. I do simple strategies, nothing complicated or crazy, except the moon title strategy, but other than that, they're all pretty straight. Just risk management. Yeah, Goth Boy. Yeah, I think it definitely puts me in check. I definitely think it makes me trade better, honestly. Because I don't want to be doing stupid, silly stuff, you know, on the line. All right, got 1030 candle. We might see some chop until Trump speaks. But last time Trump did not move the market that much last week. He speaks at 11 a.m. PST. If you guys are tuning in just now, make sure to like and subscribe. Make these live streams free for y'all. Yeah, we need confirmation of where it wants to go. Boom. Hey, what up, John? Thanks for tuning in, brother. Alright, it looks like it's bouncing here again. Damn. The accounts are going good. We got these 5 funded. They're at almost 1,400. You look at that, bouncing right here again. This is a big level, y'all. We got 2 winning plays today and then a small loss. So pretty good so far, yeah. We're just being cautious with this trailing drawdown. See, look, we have $500 less to work with, even though we're up on the day. That's crazy. That's why trailing drawdown sucks. Yeah, BWX. This 26,000 area is a big rejection area, and then we finally closed above it yesterday and then a little today. And then, yeah, it's just following in this range, so we're kind of just in a range bound right now. So, range, just gotta be calm, cool, collected. Don't need to force anything, and you can play off the range. Hey. Motif, Tradeify, MyFundedFutures, TakeProfitTrader, they're all good firms. I got some Lucid accounts too, those are nice. Gonna trade them soon. Yeah, trailing drawdown freaking sucks. Look at this. Even though we're up on the day, $900, we have $1,500. We have $500 less to work with. Other than that, other trades. So the trailing drawdown screwed us by $300 basically. So that's the thing with trailing drawdown. That sucks, Arv. It's good you passed them, but yeah. Maybe set like a daily loss limit, that could help. I've done that before though, so it happens. Guys, should we take a bounce right here or something? But guys, if we make $2,000 profit on these accounts, the trailing drawdown stops, and we could take anything daily above 2,000. So let's say these are like $2,000. I started this morning and I'm up $900 on the day. I'm freaking done. That is a $3,600 payout after the fees. Like, I am done. Jay said we're just copy trading one firm at a time right now. We're only just focusing on these. Garv, got it, Garv. Yeah, if I pronounce your guys, if I pronounce your guys' name wrong, yeah, feel free to correct me in the chat. Alright, it's rejecting right here again and then looking bouncing. We got a new 5 minute in 25 seconds. I just draw out these levels like consistently where price taps off of and like consistently bounces or taps or like reacts to, and then I play out these levels off the 5 minute. Yeah, I mark them out on the 5. But we got a new 5 minute in 3 seconds. We'll see where it wants to go. No momentum right there, just chilling. Yeah, there's Tradovate. I tried Quantower. Quantower is really nice. You could set brackets and copy trade. PJ, I'm just focusing on other firms right now. Look at that, damn. Dude, yeah, this 965 or 865 is such a big level. Look at that. That Jones, probably like... Mine updates late at night for TakeProfitTrader. Like, it usually updates around after like 8 p.m., 8:30 p.m. PST. Sometimes 10 p.m. But it depends where you are. It updates late at night for me, for TakeProfitTrader. But it's nice because at night I can request a nice payout at 10 o'clock at night and then go to sleep happy. And then by the time I wake up, they already approved it and everything. Alright, seeing a push back up to here, we are just chilling in this range. This is a nice bounce play right here. But I didn't like taking it because of shorts. Yeah, man. Man, you got a nice warm glass of milk with like a chocolate chip cookie. Oh man, right before bed, you just go to sleep all happy and warm. That's how it feels requesting a payout at night, y'all. Oh man. Yeah, if you have the payout request and a warm glass of milk and cookies, oh man, you'll feel amazing. Alright, we got 2 minutes. It's just chopping around this range, so if we end it right here, we'll be chilling. But unless we see another play, but most likely not. It's just chopping around in this range. We're going to announce the giveaway winners on the stream near the end, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, we're just being patient. We got Trump speaking in 22 minutes. Yeah, you ain't sleeping, man. I mean, you ain't waking up. I know, we bounced here like look at this. Look how many times we bounced right here, and this is a nice like 65, you risk like 10, 15 points. 65. That's a nice, right there, that's a nice 1 to 2, 1 to 3 RR. Bree, I usually risk 10 to 15 points on a trade most of the time on NQ. Alright, new 5 minute and 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, if we took a bounce play right here, I just didn't like it because of the shorts. But if we took a bounce play, yeah, risk 10, 15 points. That's a nice 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Coming right back up to here. Tushar, the giveaway is over. We're going to announce the winners in this stream. I'll do more giveaways in the future, but I ended it because I had to get everything, all the names in on the wheel. Wheel of Fortune. 3 lucky winners. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, we got 123 people watching right now. Appreciate y'all as always. Make sure to like and subscribe for more free daily live streams. We're getting more consistent viewers. We're averaging around like 80, 90 now. And then yesterday we hit our peak at 130 viewers, which was very awesome. Alright, new 5 minute in 2 seconds. See who wants to go. Yeah, we'll do more giveaways in the future, y'all. Don't worry. We'll definitely do more giveaways, and hopefully with some other firms, because I know you guys like some other firms, so hopefully we can do that with that. Yeah. Hey, internet, he like dislikes, unsubscribes, puts hate comments in the section. Nah, we're all joking. He's like full rage tilt mode, pissed off. Oh man, look at this, guys, coming right back down here. It's most likely gonna this 860. I can't even say 865 here is a big bounce area, and look at that. It just bounced off there numerous times, falling right back into here. I mean, this is a nice scalp right here. Yeah, internet, you full on negative. Oh, you piece of shit, man, blah, 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 blah. You are a scam. We're just joking, Tushar. We're just joking. We're just saying how people do that in general. This is all rigged. Day trading is a scam. Yeah, BWX, we're in the Bay Area. NorCal. I go to Marin County a lot. It's pretty nice there. I like going fishing a lot in those area. Also like San Jose area. There's some good lakes, and also East Bay. Damien, if we see another setup, I might take it. But we're already up on the day, $900. I'm pretty happy with that. We took 2 nice winning trades and a small loss. But we're just kind of range bounding, so we might take another trade, but we'll announce the giveaway winner soon. Trump is speaking in 11 a.m. PST. Yeah, a lot of people in my Discord and subscribers, they're from the Bay Area, which is pretty cool. I didn't know that. Oh yeah, I heard a lot about Los Vaqueros VWX. Yeah, they have striped bass, catfish, bass. It's a big lake too. Big. I heard the wind gets pretty crazy out there. I haven't been there, but I've thought about it. It's pretty cool. Striped bass fishing is pretty fun. Hey guys, you think we should take a bounce right here? For like the 10th time, or is it going to finally break? Yeah. It's a little risky. Alright, it's approaching this 865 area. Ooh, oh, starting to break. New 5 minute and 35 seconds. Is it gonna bounce though for like the 10th time? Yep, early morning fishing is nice, man. Watch the sunrise, nice and calm. Yeah, Trader Bob, the Delta is very nice fishing. I used to go there a lot when I was a kid. My dad and mom would also take me a lot there. We used to like go camping on the trailer and stuff. It was very fun. Oh my.
Order filled.
I'm FOMOing in. Fuck it. This is bad trading. This is bad trading, but we're FOMOing in. Looking for another bounce. Cue to MW2. Alright. We're only risking 12 points. Small risk. New 5 minute, but looking for a bounce up to here. That's a nice 30-point play right there. Nice RR. Hey, if Casinator has his hand over his face, music going, staring at the screen, we're locked in. We gotta focus. Garv, when you enter on position on Tradovate, you can have it in the settings where it can play some music going. We got the MW2 track going. Now we're just fucking around. It's from YouTube. Yeah, a little risky, but I mean, it bounced here like 10 freaking times. That's a nice RR, nice 1 to 2, 1 to 3 RR. So it's like, let's take it. Why not? $10 points. We're gonna move our stop 5 less points. Back down here, don't like that. I want to just see it bounce and just go right back up to here, and then that'll be a nice full exit. Yeah, we're only risking 7 points right now, 7-8 points.
Need a little more momentum. We're up 8 points. Just it's hesitating a lot right here, which I don't like. At our peak, we're only up like 8 points, 10 points. Thank you, Christopher. God bless everyone. Thank y'all.
Stop filled.
Stopped out right there. We're only risking like 8 points, so nothing crazy. So yeah, that's gonna be our last trade on the day. So banger day. Our first play, we took a nice 40-point short to the downside. At our peak, we were up 55 points. We got a new 5-minute right here. Looks like it's finally breaking out the range. And then we took another nice short, 20 points. At our peak, we're up like 35. And then we took a loss. Took a short right here, took a 10-point loss, nothing crazy. And then right here, we took another 10-point loss. But these are good RR, risk to reward. This play played out, but we got stopped out, and then it ran in our favor. This one looks like it's finally breaking out that range. Only came up to about halfway, so very nice. We're up $760 on the day. And yeah, that's a great day. That's a great first 2 days on these accounts. 2 wins, 2 losses, nothing crazy. Damn, now we're breaking hard down to the downside. Oh, fuck. Sheesh. Yeah, but we can get the giveaway going. You guys want to do the giveaway? Thank you, Oren. Yep. Yeah, it was either gonna break out back up long or then break out this area. Nah, it's all good. They're 2 small losses, only 10 points, nothing crazy. Yeah, let's get the giveaway going, y'all. Alright. Let's do the giveaway. Alright, I just have it right here. I don't want to dox everyone's emails. But we got 211 people right here. There is a couple doing duplicates. I saw you guys doing 2 entries. Only 1 entry per person. We're keeping it fair and square. And yeah, only 1 entry per person. Alright. We're doing the giveaways. We're giving away 3 free core 50K accounts. The giveaway is over, everyone. It's already canceled. We already got all the names. We'll do more giveaways in the future. Do not worry. But we're going to pick the winners, shuffle it up. Alright, you guys ready? Make sure to like and subscribe. We got 3 free core accounts. MyFundedFutures, we're going to give away right now. Alright, let's go. First winner. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Who is it? Komyayen at hotmail.com. Alright. This is our first winner. Thank you for joining. First winner. We got 2 more winners, y'all. 2 more winners. Remove that person. That is the winner. We got our first winner. We're going to shuffle it up. Shuffle it up. Let's go. Second winner. Make sure to like and subscribe, y'all. We can also do more giveaways in the future. Marcus Dreyer at gmail.com. Marcus, So this is our second winner. Congratulations. We got one more winner, y'all. One more winner. One more winner. We'll do a 30-second spin. Last and final winner. We're going to shuffle it up. Shuffle it up. Yeah, I haven't heard Hotmail in a long time. Shuffle it up. Last and final winner for the giveaway. 30 seconds. We got 3 free 50K core accounts. Last and final winner. Who's it gonna be? Come on. nanthvidjcool@gmail.com. Boom! These are our winners for the giveaway. Thank you all for joining. So we got the giveaway winners right here. I'll email these persons and get them the MyFundedFutures 50K accounts. I appreciate y'all for joining. So these are the winners for the giveaway. We'll do more giveaways in the future. So awesome on that. So guys, very nice day on these funded accounts. Second day, we're up $1,200 overall. At our peak, we're up like $1,600. Nothing crazy. We're not going to trip about it. We took a nice 40-point short to the downside right here. Nice breakout to the downside. At our peak, we're up 55 points. So that was a very nice first play. We got the Modern Warfare music going. And then we took a nice 20-point short to the downside again. And at our peak, we're up 35 points, but we trailed it to 20. Locked it in. So that was a nice 60 points up on the day. And then we took a short right here. It did go in our favor, unfortunately, but then it stopped us out barely and then ran in our favor, like 20, 30 points. It sucks. It is what it is. Second play, we got stopped out right here. At our peak, we're only up 10 points. And then it looks like it's breaking back down to the downside. I should have been more patient on this trade. This play was fine, and the other two were great. I actually like my entry right here. But this play, I definitely should have been patient and waited for a breakout of the zone. So, right there. Yeah, this is a good trading day, honestly. Like, dude, we had a 40-point winner, a 20-point winner, and then 2 10-point losses. I mean, that's literally, we're managing our risk rate. That's awesome. Like, we're literally up on the day. We do only have $1,300 to work with. You see how this trailing drawdown sucks? But we can, it's okay. We can get it out. We can survive, and it'll be just fine. So we're going to trade these accounts again tomorrow, and hopefully we can get them to the buffer and payout. That is the plan. And yeah, these are daily payouts, Sam. So anything above $2,000 on these funded accounts, I can request daily. So that's very, very nice. So, boom, those are the winners for the giveaway. I appreciate y'all for joining. We got the Modern Warfare 2 music going. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll do more giveaways in the future. And yeah, we'll get those people the accounts. And yeah, so appreciate y'all as always. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. PST. 9 a.m. PST. And yeah, appreciate y'all as always. Go outside, go to the gym. Be healthy, and see you guys.